Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am Dr. Sadia Zafar and today I will discuss about the direct values of biodiversity. How does biodiversity matters? As we have discussed in last lectures about the biodiversity and the benefits of the biodiversity. As we know that the biodiversity is so important for us and the biodiversity maintain or sustain our life on this planet. There are various uses or values of biodiversity. Some are the indirect values of biodiversity and other are the direct values of biodiversity. The indirect values of biodiversity that has been discussed in detail in last lectures, and now in this lecture I will discuss the direct values of biodiversity, in which I will discuss that what is the direct use value of biodiversity and the types of the direct values of biodiversity in detail. Direct values of biodiversity are concerned with enjoyment or satisfaction directly received by biological resources. It means we get the benefits or different type of the enjoyment or for different purpose we getting the benefits directly from the living organisms from the biodiversity. They can be relatively easily observed and measured, often by assigning prices to them. There are some types of the direct use value of the biodiversity. The first one is the consumptive use value, means consumptive use value of the biodiversity. The second type is the productive value, and third is social value of biodiversity. The fourth is ethical value, and fifth is aesthetic value and the optional values. These are the some values or direct values of the biodiversity. Now I will discuss in the detail of the direct use value of the biodiversity. The first one is consumptive use value. The most important point of consumptive use is that some rural communities that are closest to the biodiversity, means to the forest or other natural areas from where they can directly get the food from the biodiversity, means they uh, get the by harvesting of wildlife species of the plants of animals or birds. Hunting, that is the direct consumption, for example the collection of berries or mushrooms or different type of the herbs or plants and animals or different type of the birds, they are the consumptive use values of the biodiversity. Direct utilization, that is the timber, food, fuel wood and fodder by local communities, provides the forest dwellers with all their daily needs: food, buildings, materials, fodder, and medicines. They know the quantities and different uses of the wood from different species of the trees. that they use as food, construction, material, or medicines. Means the people of that area are well known with the uses of the different type of the trees or plants. Means which plant is could be used for which purpose. For food or for construction purpose, or can be used for the medicine. Consumptive use value, the value of nature product that are consumed directly, such as firewood, fodder, and meat. In other words, the products which are consumed directly without passing through the market. The consumptive use value seldom appear in national income accounts. Consumptive use value as food, the plants are direct value to biodiversity because it is the fundamental value of providing the food that can be harvested and consumed directly. All the domesticated crops and animals results from management of the biodiversity, which is constantly responding to new challenges to maintain and increase the productivity under constantly altering or varying the conditions and population pressures. Agricultural biodiversity is essential to satisfy the basic human needs for food security or for the survival of the biodiversity. It provides humans with food, raw materials for goods such as cotton and wool, um, for clothing, and wood for shelter and fuel purpose, and plants and roots for medicine purpose, and the materials for biofuels. So the biodiversity is providing us a lot of the different products which are very important for us. The food value of biodiversity, the food we humans eat every day throughout our lives comes from agricultural biodiversity. The biodiversity is the basic of agriculture and our food system. It has enabled the farming system to evolve since the origin of agriculture about 10,000 years ago. Our civilization evolved with human beings started domesticating the plants and animals. About 3,000 species of flowering plants have been used for food, and about 200 species have been domesticated, and wild relatives source of genes for crop improvement in both plants and animals. It includes the plants means including the crops, wild plants, harvested and managed for food, trees on farms and pastures and rangelands, species, and the medicinal plants. Animal resources include the domesticated animals, wild animals, hunted for food, wild and farmed fish, and other aquatic organisms. Humans used at least 40,000 species of the plants and animals on daily basis. Many people around the world still depend on wild species for most of their needs like food, shelter, and clothing. The tribal people are completely dependent on the forest for their daily needs. A large number of wild plants are consumed by human beings as food, and about 80,000 edible wild plant species have been reported from wild, and about 90% of present day food crops have been domesticated from wild tropical plants. Some sources of the food and proteins like cereals, like fruits, milk, and fish. Biodiversity for food and agriculture is all the plants and animals, either they are wild or domesticated, that provide the food, feed, fuel, and fiber. It is also the myriad of the organisms that support the food production through ecosystem services called associated biodiversity. This includes all types of the plants and microorganisms such as insects, bats, birds, mangroves, corals, sea grasses, earthworm, soil, different organisms or the fungi and the bacteria that keep the soils fertile, means they maintain the soil fertility and pollinate the plants and purify the water and air. They also provides or keep the fish and trees healthy and fight the crop and livestock pests and diseases. Biodiversity is critical for safeguarding the global food security, underpinning the health and nutritions or nutritious diets, improving the rural livelihoods, and enhancing the resilience of the people and communities. Means biodiversity is providing the food and providing improve the health and improve the or enhance the lifestyle of the humans. We need to use the biodiversity in a sustainable way so that we can better respond to rising the climate change challenges and produced food in a way that doesn't harm our environment. Next, consumptive value as the fuel. Fuel is direct value to biodiversity. As we know that we get the fuel directly from the biodiversity because for a long periods of time the forest have provided the wood which are used as fuel, which is used for gas, for warming purpose or for cooking and other industrial processes. Fuel value of biodiversity. The major fuel sources of the world, including the wood and fossil fuels, have their origin due to biodiversity. Our forests have been used since the age for fuel wood. The fossils fuel like the coal, petroleum, and natural gas are also products of fossils biodiversity. The firewood collected by individuals is not normally marketed, means has no market value, but are directly consumed by tribes and local villagers, hence falls under the consumptive. Biodiversity as a source of energy. It can be used for getting the energy in and present in the form of the fuel, biofuel, firewood, and biofuel or agrofuel commonly used for transportation and heating processes, replacing the oil like ethanol, butanol, methanol, and biodiesels. Biofuels is produced from the plants and food grains. There are some examples the production about the production of energy from the plants or different plants components like the corn and soybean is used for production of energy in United States, and wheat, rapeseeds, sugar beets are used for energy source in the Europe, while sugarcane is used in Brazil and palm oil is used in Southeast Asia, and coconut oil is used as a source of energy in Philippines. So this is about the direct use values of biodiversity, in which the consumptive purpose of the biodiversity or consumptive use of biodiversity as food and fuel is discussed. If you need further guidance, you can visit these links. And thank you so much, friends, for your attention.